Hi everyone, this is going to be an important topic. In this video, I am going to discuss on how to update an outdated cloud connector. Let's say we have two cloud connectors in the resource location and we have not updated these cloud connectors for a while. Okay, these cloud connectors are now out of date. So once the cloud connectors are not getting latest updates, what Citrix Cloud does is it waits for a few weeks. Waits for the cloud connector to report. If the cloud connector is not reporting and it is not taking the proper updates, it is going to mark it as out of service. Okay, let me show the error message to you. Okay, it shows the error message. It says outdated connectors cannot perform maintenance and may impact the maintenance process of other connectors in the environment. The connector machine is offline because it has not performed maintenance and is now out of date. So this is not, this one of the cloud connectors has not performed maintenance for a very long period of time. That's why Citrix Cloud will mark that cloud connector as out of service. If you see here, it shows a red color symbol, so it is out of service. So one fine day you notice that, oh, one of my cloud connectors is out of date. Now I need to update it because you need to have two cloud connectors in your environment. So in that case, what you can do is, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to delete the secondary cloud connector. So this is the second cloud connector. So what you need to do is you need to go here and click on remove connector. You need to click on remove connector. So once you do that, it is going to remove the cloud connector. After that, what you need to do is you need to uninstall the program manually after logging into cloud connector machine. So let's say, so this is the cloud connector machine, that is out of date. You need to log into this machine, go to programs and uninstall it. You need to select it and click on uninstall. Once you uninstall, it is going to uninstall the Citrix Cloud Connector software. Okay, so let me minimize this. Okay, so this is the second step, and the third step is install the latest cloud connector components on the existing machine or a new machine. Log into Citrix Cloud, go to resource location and add a cloud connector. Run the cloud connector installer. So the last step is you need to log into the Citrix Cloud console. Open a web browser, log into Citrix Cloud console, type your username and password, go to cloud connectors and download the latest software. And so what you need to do is, let me minimize this. Okay, so what you need to do is, once you log into Citrix Cloud console on the problematic cloud connector, all you need to do is you need to click on add connector, and it is going to give an option to download the software. Okay, Windows based, select the type of connector you would like to add, click on continue. Now it is giving an option to download the software. So you need to follow the same process on the problematic cloud connector machine. After removing it from the console and uninstalling the components, you need to download, install it, and once you install it, it will be green again. And it will start reporting to the Citrix Cloud. Okay, it will start communicating with the Citrix Cloud. So these are all the important steps that you need to know. Maybe you will be asked during the interview or when you work in some project. If some cloud connector is not responding, you should know these steps to fix it as soon as possible. Okay, so this is very important during troubleshooting as well. So you can follow these steps to get the work done. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.